welcome back to my channel. This is Chanel coming to you with a how to do your own passion twist. I did these once before, but I didn't have enough time to record, so this time around I decided to show you exactly how I did these and how I crocheted them in and twisted them myself. Here I used a 1B and I used the ombre 27 with the 30 on the ends. This brand is a water wave brand. They come with 3 sections of crochet hair. So basically, if you was to buy free tressed hair, it only comes with 1 bundle. And this pack was only $10.99 at my local beauty supply store. So basically, I ended up getting 2 of these. Well, the first time I used all black. And when I did this style, I only used 1 pack. So I only used 3 rolls of the crochet hair, which is 1 pack of these, probably 3 packs of free tresses hair. But then I wanted to try blonde because I never wear blonde, I always wear burgundy. So I went and bought another pack and I used my black pack that I had with it. So what I did was, I'm going to show you guys in the video how I used the 2, because I didn't want the back to be all black and the front to be this ombre 27 and 30. I wanted every piece to have a piece of blonde in it. So basically what I did use the rubber band method. I love the rubber band method. And I didn't show in the video how I did my parts. If you guys need a video on that, I thought it was pretty self-explanatory, but if you guys need a video on that, I can definitely do a video on that. Just leave it in the comments. I know it's been a while. It's been about a month since I did a video. It's kind of hard to be consistent on YouTube, I'm gonna be honest, but I'm still learning, and hey, I'm gonna throw a video in there so far. But this is how, sorry y'all, how my hair ended up. I just kind of did a ponytail at the top. But yeah, I did the water wave hair. Like I said, each pack was $10.99 a piece. And then I did the rubber band method. I did use the Style Factor jam. I used the green kind. It smells so good. I like that for my rubber band parts because my hair lasted longer when I used that gel, that Style Factor gel for my rubber band parts. It lasted way longer than I did when I used the Eco Style gel. And then when I got to the front, I did use the Style Factor edge control on my edges and mixed it in with the Style Factor gel, and it works out perfectly fine. Then at the end I hit it with some moves and kind of cut like the dead ends. So yeah, it took me, I did wash my hair and blow dry, so it did take me about a good 3.5 to 4 hours altogether with the washing, the blow drying, doing all my parts and going back into crochet. But yeah, watch this video, keep watching, and you'll see how I achieve this look. And leave some comments of what you think I should do differently, what you think I should do better, what I did great. Just let me know. Thank you guys. Okay, so I took one of the 27-30 color pieces and split them into 2. And then I'm going to take one of the 1B pieces and do the same thing. You want to do it nice and slowly or you're going to end up tangling and knotting the hair. So what you're going to do, you're going to take a blonde piece and a black piece and mix it together, because that's what's going to give you that look like you have highlights. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your piece, one of your pieces. You're going to take the hair and actually loop it around your fingers as such. That way you will have a good grip to connect it to the crochet needle. Then you're going to take the crochet needle and hook it behind where the rubber band is. You're going to hook the hair into the latch and close the latch of the crochet needle. Then what I did was I began to pull the needle down, but I let go one of the pieces, so only 1/2 of the piece can go through. I'm not making no loops or knots. That way your hair should be able to move freely behind that rubber band, and that means there's no knots. So this is the part where you add some edge booster style gel. I love this gel for your parts. You're going to separate the hair, your hair, into 2 parts. And you're going to begin to twist. And add gel so that your hair will stay mixed in with the water wave hair. Add as much as you need to, just to get that hair to be mixed in with the crochet hair. Because as you're twisting, it's going to seem like you're twisting real tight, but the minute you're finished with that twist, it's going to unravel a little bit, and you want your hair to stay mixed in with the crochet hair. So pretty much this is all there is to it. At the end, I added some mousse, a little holding spray, got to be holding spray. But that's pretty much it. So just keep watching this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.